Okay, part 10. We're smudging it in. We're smudging this fender big time with some brown and dark green. It's a little better. We're going to take some brown and we're going to pop it along this this edge here, and then we're going to smudge it with the towel. And towel smudge seems to be working pretty good. It's the technique I want. I mean, it's the it's kind of, I'm trying to match this rusty green speckly stuff, you know. And if you just go over this grind mark here with what I just mixed up, it's not too bad actually. Okay, so we're gonna take a little more brown and we're gonna smudge it along this top edge of the repair. Actually, the repair is only right here, but we're kind of trying to blend it into all this. So more brown, I think, to simulate the rust. Okay, we're gonna smudge it now. I'm simulating a very bad paint job. It's almost there. It looks pretty good. Yeah, oh yeah, that looks pretty darn good, folks. It's almost there. Let's smudge this other side a little bit. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, I can see a little spot I missed. Right down in here. Yeah, it's not bad. Alright, let's get some more smudging action. It's kind of hard to see in this light. Okay. Alright, we're going for it. That, my friend, is not bad. Alright, compared to the rest of the bike, it's a little shinier. Let's pop it off of the stand and bring it out so you can see. Oh, there's a little spot there I gotta get in. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, well, I mean, here's what it looked like before I messed with it, and there's the repair. I think once that dries, I mean, it's not bad. See all that light green stuff there, light green stuff here. Yeah, I think once that dries and we clear coat this whole thing and maybe get that little bird poo off of there. Yeah. You know, that's not too bad. We got some action over here. Yeah. I mean, it's a little brighter. We step back. I'd say we got a winner. That looks like no one ever touched that. Or maybe their pant leg was rubbing on it. Yeah, we're gonna call that. We're gonna call that professionally done. Did I say body work is not my forte? But I can I can fake some things in, I'll tell you that much. That's not bad. I'll take that all day. All right, that really looks like no one has ever done anything to that. Yeah. And thanks to my wife for mixing that paint up for me. And I got lucky. She just happened to be making a big green poppy field with green. I don't know. There's a bunch of green in it. That's all I know. And she's very good at what she does. So I was lucky to have this little mixing board. Okay, so the next video, I think we're gonna have to deal with these cranks. The bearings were so bad. If you looked at the previous videos, the bearings were just really toast. So we're gonna have to address that. We have to get the cranks in before I can make this chain guard work, which I've decided just to leave rusty. I'm just gonna straighten it and leave it rusty because the whole bike is rusty. In fact, we were just emulating rust. We were trying to fake rust with the fake patina paint job. But hey, that looks pretty good. And tune in for part 11 and we'll address this, because that's the next step. Until you get the cranks in, you can't put the chain guard on, and you can't pedal the bike. Anyway, yeah, so this is some welding I'm doing. Another railing job. It's never ending. And then I do the fun stuff, this is the fun stuff here. So yeah, thanks for tuning in for the fun stuff, and we'll see you on the next video. All right.